Hello! Today we are going to learn about there is and there are. Now, we use there is and there are to describe the number of things. We use there is to say there is one thing. For example, there is a phone in the living room. We use there are to say there is more than one thing. For example, there are 3 plants in the kitchen. Now, to make negative sentences, we put not after there is or there are. And we use the short forms. There isn't. There aren't. We can also say there aren't any. Here are some examples. There isn't a TV in the living room. There aren't any people in the living room. Now, to ask a question, we put is there or are there any at the beginning of the sentence. Is there a sofa in the living room? Yes, there is. Are there any chairs in the kitchen? No, there aren't. Okay, that's all for there is and there are. For more information, please check the Grammar Bank. Bye.